So this is the 4-hour time frame, and WIF seems to be working on a correction still. Again, this is not a set. I mean, people ask about setups. I mean, there are many 1-2 setups at the moment on the charts, but if you watch the videos after the 10th of October and also in recent weeks, again and again, I've mentioned that due to that flash crash, which is kind of unprecedented, this liquidation event, it is unclear if these will hold at all, right? That's why we need signals. We need, for example, at the minimum, a break above this swing high from the 10th of October. So I can only give you support at the moment based on that wick that developed here on the 10th of October, which was a systemic failure in the sector, basically, right? So we had a move up in what could be wave 1. We had a wave 2 pullback that is probably not completed. And the next support levels are 36 cents and 31. As long as we're holding 31, there's a chance for higher prices according to this. But I would need, as I said, at the very least, a break above that 10th of October low. Because until we, 10th of October high, because until we break above it, we're kind of stuck in a range. Yeah, we're stuck in a range, in a sideways range. I could even add, I mean, there are some additional levels. This one at 62 cents as micro resistance. We could even draw a trend line here. But clearly the local trend remains down for now. And we're holding support, yeah, and the pullback doesn't look really impulsive. So we can kind of keep an eye on this support area, but I need to see an impulsive upside reaction. And it would look best with another low below the A-wave low that formed here on the 4th of November. So we might test the 36 to 31 cent area before WIF even attempts to form a low. So I think short-term lower, the potential is there, but if we look at the larger time frame, do I have a larger time frame chart for WIF? It shows you that this chart formed only on the larger time frame 3 waves up. Yeah, could never give us a 5th wave up, so it's not really a bullish chart. This move down is very complex, and on most charts it broke even below the April low, so it would have to start everything again. The move up can also just be a C wave in a larger decline. So I don't see it as a very bullish chart. But if we see a breakout signal on the lower time frame, we can focus on higher. Not a very clear chart overall, but in the short term, the support levels are clearly defined. But as I said, the trend is not up at this point. Trend is rather down with the potential of a turnaround. Definitely worth watching because a lot of charts show this potential. Some stronger than others, but no breakout signal, no momentum, no micro 5-wave move up basically. And we need that because the data quality is very poor, because a lot of exchange data, especially with that low on the 10th of October, they differ. So you will have different Fibonacci support levels on different exchanges, which makes this very difficult at the moment.